What's up, people? DevSage here, and I'm starting a new series where I'm going to be teaching you about TypeScript. So, what is TypeScript? TypeScript is a programming language that was developed by Microsoft. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, meaning that TypeScript is a language that includes all possible valid JavaScript plus some extra features and functionality and syntax on top of that. TypeScript compiles down into regular JavaScript so that the browser can understand it. This means that all valid JavaScript is technically valid TypeScript, but not necessarily the other way around. All valid TypeScript isn't necessarily valid JavaScript. Remember, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. TypeScript was designed for the development of larger scale applications. So what exactly does TypeScript offer? Well, one of the main features TypeScript offers is type checking. So by default, JavaScript is a very loosely typed language, meaning that we, the developers, don't have to specify variable and function types when we use them. We can just use var or let or const. Whereas higher level languages such as Java, you would have to specify the variable types like int, boolean, string, float, or double. And so you might be thinking, well, isn't that just an extra step? Well, there are actually a lot of really good advantages to being able to define and check your types. For one, it makes your JavaScript code a lot more readable and descriptive, especially when you're building a large scale project where you have a lot of different variables and functions, and you need to keep track of what exactly each variable is and what's expected of it. And the thing about TypeScript is type checking is completely optional. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. Another feature TypeScript offers is classes. This means we don't have to use prototypes anymore, and we can use object-oriented programming principles such as encapsulation, inheritance, and we can even use access modifiers. TypeScript also supports ES6 syntax, so that's pretty cool. All right, so how do we install TypeScript? Well, the first thing you're going to want to do, if you haven't already, is install Node.js. So if you don't have Node installed, you need to go to nodejs.org, and you should see some options here to download and install it. So go ahead and do that. Node is going to come with a tool called npm, the Node Package Manager, which is the tool that we're going to use to install TypeScript. So once you get Node installed, you want to open up a command line, and then you want to run the command npm install-g for global and type in TypeScript. I already have it installed, so it was pretty quick, but once you do that, you officially have TypeScript installed on your machine. So in this video, we went over what TypeScript is, what are some of its features, and we installed it. So in the next video, we're actually going to jump into writing some TypeScript. If you like this video, leave a like. Got any questions, leave them down in the comments. And yeah, peace.